Good evening, Miss. Today my team are going to talk about marketing strategies to develop value proposal. The members are Mendoza Cortés Areli, Reyes Vara Cintia, Sánchez Canchari Fanny, Chacón Alex, and me, Reyes Flores Elizabeth. Let's start with the first slide with my partner Fanny Sanchez.
Okay, thank you, Elizabeth. Good evening, Miss and classmate. Well, I'm going to talk about Topitop. Topitop. Who are they? Topitop is a Peruvian company that began 30 years ago as an ambitious familiar project. Today constitute one of the top ranking Peruvian textile and manufactured exporters. They currently export 70% of their production, with the USA and Germany standing as their main destinations. The remaining proportion is distributed through Topitop's retail chain store in Peru, Venezuela, and Ecuador. Topitop's store can be summarized in the following words: dedication, perseverance, and ingenuity. Next slide, please. Valued proposal. Topitop's valued proposition is to market and export high-quality garments with fashionable designs and competitive prices and within the main shopping centers in the country. It also has its own premises located at strategic points. Marketing strategies. Segment expansion. Original Topitop serves socio-economic segments C, D, and E. Currently, they have incorporated B since they have stores in the most exclusive shopping centers in Lima and the provinces and seek to enter large international retailers. Technology. Topitop uses the internet and other technology tools to obtain real-time information on the changing needs and tastes of consumers. My partner Cynthia is going to continue with the next slide.
Thank you, Fanny. Thank you, Fanny. And continue, Peru brands campaigns. Topitop participates in the Peruvian campaigns Buy from Peru of the Ministry of Production and Made in Peru of the National Society of Industries. Topitop has two independent production lines, one for production focused on the national market and the other for export to its clients, who are world-renowned brands. Mouth to mouth. He used word of mouth of a lot since he knows that it offers a great value for money, and excessive spending on marketing will result in extra expense and price increases. Next, my partner, Areli.
Good evening, everybody. Now I'm going to continue with another marketing strategy. Sales of temporary and exclusive product. Topitop handles several products line in the 54 clothing category for men and women, young and children. It has its own brands such as Topitop, New York, Hank, Paviotti, Xiaomi, and others that are marketed through Topitop stores. The points of sale receive new models on a weekly basis. The group of designers constantly renew the design since they consider that fashion is very dynamic. Please, the next slide. Competition strategy. To manage competition in fast fashion retails, Topitop business model focus on high availability of products and speed of response. Another slide, please. Now this company side. Topitop has very competitive prices and within everyone's reach, since it has high-tech machinery and processes that allow it to have a high productivity and be very cost efficient. Additionally, Topitop has a price discount system, considering that in the textile industry, the life cycle of product is very short. It is for this reason that before the product becomes obsolete, a discount system is applied to them, which is a constant application strategy to attract and retain customers. All products are sold through auctions under the basket model, which consists of placing all the gamers in a single basket at the same price. Now my partner Elizabeth Reyes is continuing with the next part.
Well, let's continue with marketing strategies. Bargaining power of suppliers. On the part of the retail business of the company, bargaining power of the suppliers is medium. It must be taken into account that a large part of the final products for sale are manufactured by the manufacturing division. In this way, also, they function as two independent companies from the moment that for each purchase Topitop retail strips Topitop Industries as another company so that it does not lose competitive. It can always ensure that the bargaining power of the supplier is reduced using the high-level vertical integration in the company. And the last slide, please. Next, Cynthia. Bargaining power of buyers. At this point, international buyers have great bargaining power over producing companies. These are based on the huge volumes of production that they request. It's for this reason that companies such as Topitop are always in search of efficient processes that reduce costs as much as possible and do remain competitive in the national and international market. Well, that's all, Miss. Thank you so much.